Boom, baby, Murad Fiki. How's it going? Today's Thursday, September 21st. Can you believe it? The year is coming to an end. I mean, we have about 3 months left, but time is flying. We are already a month into the school year. I can't believe this. It's absolutely incredible. So, yeah, real quick, I did a video on TikTok, on Instagram, on Facebook, quick video talking about the interest rates. There's a certain group of people that are just laser focused on, I'm going to wait till interest rates fall before I make any purchase. And let me bring this point very clear. That's a big if interest rates fall at all, let's say they fall by a percent, they go from 6% to 5% or 7% to 6%. If that happens, real estate prices are going to skyrocket. They're going to take off. Mark my words. And if you don't believe me, I will gladly bet you if the rates fall by 1% or something close to that, prices are going to take off. So you might get a better rate, but you're going to pay for it. One way or another, you're going to pay for it. I promise you. I guarantee it. This is a fact. If rates fall by 1%, you're going to pay for it. Houses that are 500,000 are going to go to 525, 535, 545. I promise you. And you're going to pay for the drop in rates on the front end. You're going to pay it up front, which is not what you want to do. I would rather put it on my loan, with a higher rate. So I promise you, sitting on the fence waiting for rates to fall you're still going to pay for it. So mark my words. But that being said, let's go ahead and dive right in. Let me show you the truth. The weekly activity snapshot. Numbers don't lie. We're going to look at last week. That is week 37 of 2023. Let's dive right in. New listings increase. So we're comparing week 37 of 2023 to week 37 of 2022. That's September 12th to September 18th. New listings were about flat, about 0.5% increase year over year. If we look at pre-pandemic, if we compare week 37 of 2019, about the same still, about 2,921 listings entered into the MLS. So about 2,900 listings year over year, about the same. And you can see the trend, the historical trend. Real estate market is cyclical, and we can see that. Pending listings that went pending, we saw a decline of about 11.6% year over year, from about 2191 to about 1936. That's about 11% decrease of listings going under contract. That could be expected. If we look at pre-pandemic, pending listings were down about 8.5% when it comes to prior to the pandemic. In 2019, 2,115 property listings went under contract. Off-market listings, we had about 4.4% decrease. We had about 1,360 sellers withdrew their properties from the market a year ago. So about 1,300 withdrew their homes from the market last week. And pre-pandemic, that's about 28.7% increase before the pandemic, where 1,824 homes went off the market. So still, it's a lot less. 1,300 homes came off the market last week. Not a big difference. Closings. How many homes sold last week? We have 1,594 homes sold, which is about 8.4% decrease from a year ago. So still almost 1,600 homes sold last week. 1,600 homes. So that's still a big deal. Versus a year ago. So when people are saying homes aren't selling, there's nothing to be further than the truth. 1,600 homes sold last week. That's still about approximately about 6,400 homes over the month. So that's great showings. A 2.6% increase in showings over a year ago. 34,448 showings last week. That's people actually going to homes and looking at them in person. That's like real, no kidding buyers. When they find the right home, they're going to be jumping on it. HAR.com listing views, 7,877,000 views, 7,877,000 views last week. That's 11.3% increase from a year ago. So we're seeing more views than a year ago. That's pretty promising right there, because how many people are at the store on HAR.com looking at homes? Open houses, 7,484 open houses held, both in person and virtually. That's pretty promising. So the numbers don't lie. I mean, homes are selling. That's your latest market update, a week ago, just to compare it from a year ago and also from the pre-pandemic numbers. I hope that helps. If you're looking at doing something this year, let me know. Let's give it a look. Let's check it out. Let's look at the hyper local neighborhood data. It's very important. So let's give it a look. I'm very happy to be of service. Let me know. We will do a deep, detailed market analysis of your specific area and tell you what is the approximate value, what we could likely sell it for during this fourth quarter. And I'm going to tell you right now, these buyers in the fourth quarter are serious buyers. They are no kidding buyers. They are out and about and looking, because when people are looking during the holidays, it's because they need to move. So don't miss these opportunities. You can find the perfect buyer for your home who's willing to pay the price that you want. So let me know if I may be of service. Let me know if you're looking at making a move this year. I'm very happy to help you and your family out. It's the sincere pleasure of my life. And as always, I can't wait to see you next time. Thanks for checking in with me. Let me know if you have any questions. We will see you next time.